Which Azure SQL service is best suited for migrating on-premises Microsoft SQL Server databases because it offers nearly complete functional parity while managing tasks like security patching, data backups, and infrastructure maintenance automatically?
Option A, Azure SQL Managed Instance.
Option B, SQL Server running on Azure virtual machines.
Option C, Azure SQL Database.
Option D, Azure SQL Edge. Let us consider what this question is asking about. We are looking for an Azure SQL service designed to host migrated on-premises SQL Server databases. The key requirements are achieving nearly complete functional parity with traditional SQL Server while offloading routine management tasks such as security patching, data backups, and infrastructure maintenance to the platform.
In my view, the correct answer is option A, Azure SQL Managed Instance.
This service is specifically designed for lift and shift migrations from on-premises SQL Server, offering near 100% feature parity and surface area compatibility. It is a fully managed platform-as-a-service offering, meaning Microsoft handles automated backups, patching, and routine maintenance.
Option B, SQL Server on Azure virtual machines, provides high compatibility, but it is an infrastructure-as-a-service solution, requiring the administrator to manage the operating system and SQL updates manually.
Option C, Azure SQL Database, is a fully managed platform offering, but it has certain architectural differences from full SQL Server, which limits its compatibility with some legacy on-premises features.
Finally, option D, Azure SQL Edge, is intended for Internet of Things and edge computing workloads, rather than general-purpose enterprise database migration.